designed a smart dustbin. It works like this. It is having sensors, Arduino board from inside. Sensors detect any movement around them. Sensors, two sensors. Whenever it will detect any movement in front of it, it will automatically open the dustbin's lid. This with batteries also. There's a plug from which we can use it with batteries. Orleans have supported me. I got an idea for this because I threw a lot of sheets while drafting, so I got an idea of this. I designed these sticks so that they can join the flaps with each other like this. They can move easily, and also attach with this so that it can move. What diameter do I need to cut so that sensors can come out? Design this thing which will help to open the dustbin.